Peekaboo got some kids.
Mommy, Daddy, baby too. Elephants playing just for you. Color balls and lots of cheer. Come join the fun, the day is here. Running around. Elephants run, stomp and play. Chasing colors all the way. Mommy leads and Daddy follows. Baby giggles full of hollows. Up they jump high in the air, flapping ears without a care. Baby tries to jump so high, touching clouds up in the sky. Flying in imagination, flying high above the trees. Elephants float with the breeze, trunks like balloons, up they glide, laughing wide with joy and pride. Swimming in the water, splash, splash in the water pool. Elephants swim and feel so cool. Mommy shows a water dance, Daddy and baby splash and prance. Elephants dance in a happy ring, trunks and tails all start to swing. Mommy leads the elephant song, Daddy and baby dance along. Down the slide with a joyful yell, in a pit of ball